So we got a few things on the table, and I will show you, first of all, these bottles. The first one is snow from the backyard. Next one is dirty stream water. It's got some nice junk floating in there for you. Next one is sand, or sandy water. Basically, that's just sand at the bottom there. Real nice and disgusting. Next bottle, labeled dirt, is, well, it's dirt, grass, and stuff that's dug up from the backyard thrown in a bottle and water poured on top of it. Next one is dish water. It's been sitting overnight, just kind of basting in its own nastiness. Real good stuff there. So, as a pilot, you know, weight is super important. So, bottle of water is about a pound. And I'm sure a lot of us bring a bottle of water with us in the flights, but it gets kind of heavy. So, this might be the alternate. LifeStraw, I went over this little gadget in one of my previous videos of the stuff that I carry around for emergency purposes, and it's a pretty neat little device there. It's got the two caps to protect it. I'm showing the filtration device. That's the part that you stick in the nastiness and then you suck out of the tip there, and that's all covered up. It has a little lanyard. It's very light. Pretty neat little device. So I carry it with me. If you want to stick it around your neck, by all means, but it's usually not my shtick. I usually carry it in my bag. It's a pretty hardy item, so I just throw it in there and I'm ready to go. And so what I'm going to do here is basically what you were thinking as soon as you saw the dirty bottles. I'm going to filter these things using a pump. I see a lot of videos where people drink out of this but don't actually show the water. So I'm going to dump all of the waters in their individual glasses so you can see their nastiness there. Now I'm going to hook up the little LifeStraw, as you see, to the pump, put it in the nasty water, and I'm basically going to pump all of the stuff through the filter, kind of emulating you sucking it down, and ugh. But yeah, it pumps it in the glass, and we'll kind of see how it does with each of the waters there from the bottles. So I am sucking all of the nastiness up through that. It's filtering it, and we'll get a chance to take a look at how clear this actually gets the water. And as you can see, it's basically pretty clear. The first one, like I said, is snow from the backyard. Still pretty nasty, but it comes out, of course, crystal clear. I had some big chunks in there, but nothing too crazy. The next one, the dirty stream water, had all the floaters. That, of course, is gone. It's totally clear. Nothing crazy going on there. Looks like clear, clean water. Sandy water looks crystal clear. Nothing going on wrong there. Literal dirt water, that looks brilliant. Looks like something you would get out of the tap or bottled water. And then lastly, the nasty, ugly dishwater that was left in overnight looks pretty amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to drink these and tell you my honest impression of the water. And I'll be honest with you, all of them tasted just the same. Starting off, it kind of had a weird taste, but that was because I used the pump and I had cleaned it out and I hadn't got all the soap out of it, but it quickly went through the system and it's good to go. Apparently this thing filters 1,000 liters of water. That's 264 gallons, so if you want to do it by weight at 8.34 pounds per gallon, that's over 2,202 pounds of water. It removes 99.9999% of water-borne bacteria and 99.9% of water protozoan parasites, as the website says, and it passes all EPA tests. Got a bunch of awards. Not sponsored by these guys or anything. It's just good, clean water. It's weird how clean it gets it, actually. Only caveats are can't filter dissolved chemicals or seawater or radiation, but you know, if you just throw it in your bag, you're good to go. But nothing beats my cup of coffee there. I do enjoy it, so I would definitely recommend it. All the links are below there, so you can grab one and never have to worry about running out of water. Alright, stay safe. See you guys.